To replace the controller on your Weber Smoque Pellet Smoker, you'll need to have handy a Phillips head screwdriver. Unplug the smoker and wait until the grill is fully cool. Locate the easy access maintenance panel on the front of the hopper and remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the maintenance panel. The controller is held into the smoker by 4 pressure clips. Reach up behind the controller and press in the top clips and then the bottom, and push the controller out of the smoker. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver for additional upward pressure. Remove the controller from the smoker by first pinching and pulling the quick connect plug. Now, connect the new controller by plugging in the new connector. Align the new controller with the knob on the right-hand side. First, push the top clips, then the bottom clips. Some force may be required to push it all the way back into place. You'll know the new controller is properly installed when you hear the clips click into place and the red seal lays flush against the hopper. Plug in the grill and make sure your software is up to date. Now you're ready to cook. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.